Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada, at the Fisherman's Wharf area. See a water taxi just ahead. Float homes. Float homes are private residences. Please keep off. And boutique on this side. Potter Inn residence. And many other boats you could take for tours or perhaps getting you to the other side. And this is interesting, these private residences. There's also a park and playground that's pretty close to here. Looks like a whale watching boat, as there were some advertisements for that. Eagle Wing Tours and other tour companies. Another water taxi coming through. And more of the homes. Has some nautical parts to it, including this window, the circular window. And on the side, a visitor's lodge and some other homes. On this side, another one with this red window, little balcony, and lots of flowers hanging from the outside. Lots of restaurants, hotels in this area as well. Pirate Pizza Company just ahead. Really interesting place. Some apartments on the outside. Rescue ladder, hook ladder over dock rail. Really interesting. Kelp Reef Adventures. And lots of food and drinks. Coco Grill, Victoria, seafood, sandwiches, and more. Looks like $4 for a bottle of water, $3 Tropicana and regular, so it's a pricey area for sure. Mexican seafood ahead. Puerto Vallarta Amigos, authentic Mexican food. Lots of colors on the outside. Enchiladas, much more. $5.99 for chips and salsa. That's loco. See a green horse up ahead. And Barb's Fish and Chips. You can see some of the imagery, the logo up ahead. The fish eating a French fry. Fountain drinks. More places, fresh fish, fresh food, fresh beer. Recording here at the end of July 2025. It's a little bit warm weather, maybe about 70 degrees Fahrenheit outside. You can see all the colors here. This place is closed at the moment. Mini donuts, iced tea slush, hot drinks, Trump tariff special, 25% extra donuts, and a wharf area on this side. This is open at the moment. This space is closed with all of the boats. Some dogs that are walking throughout, and a closer view of the boats. Killer Bees, BEAS 2. On this side, some life vests. PFD Loner Station, Kids Don't Float. This is the end of all the restaurants and shops. Just the boats from up here. But pretty cool, you get to see all the names, all the different ships. Looks like a lot of buoys up ahead. Hear the birds in the back, the creaking of the docks. No black water discharge. Greater Victoria Harbour Authority. And back to the walkways or the roads is a marina station. And as we get closer to the shops, once again, nice area here in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada, the Fisherman's Wharf and the park close by. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.